Welcome to a new era of confidence and performance with Bathmate, the world's best-selling penis pump. With over 1 million satisfied users, Bathmate harnesses the power of water through a unique hydraulic vacuum. This method safely draws blood into the penis, enhancing tissue health and providing a full-body workout. Experience harder, more reliable erections, increased sensitivity, and lasting stamina. Plus, with our 60-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Using Bathmate is simple and discreet. Incorporate it into your daily wash routine. Just fill it with warm water, slide in, compress the gator, and let the vacuum do its magic for 3 minutes. We recommend using it 3 to 5 times a week for optimal results. Remember, Bathmate is not just a sexual aid, it's a training device designed to enhance your performance. Why choose water over air? Water provides a solid, consistent vacuum that evenly distributes pressure, minimizing the risk of bruising or blistering often seen with pneumatic pumps. Bathmate offers a safe, effective solution for penis health without the unwanted side effects of air pumps. Bathmate is a Class II medical device manufactured in an FDA-inspected facility. Each unit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure safety and durability. Made from high-quality, skin-safe materials, Bathmate provides a pressure that is effective yet safe, giving you peace of mind while you train. Don't let performance anxiety affect your life. Bathmate not only improves physical health but also helps rebuild confidence. By enhancing your body's natural mechanisms, you'll feel empowered to perform at your best, both in and out of the bedroom. Regular use of Bathmate mimics natural nocturnal erections, promoting tissue health and increasing blood flow. As you age, these natural occurrences decrease, but with Bathmate, you can maintain your penile health effectively. With rising issues like diabetes and hypertension impacting sexual health, many turn to drugs like Viagra, often facing unpleasant side effects. Bathmate offers a non-invasive, drug-free alternative that enhances performance without the downsides. Users have reported reducing their reliance on medications after incorporating Bathmate into their routine. The results speak for themselves. After just 2 months, over 90% of Hydro Extreme users report improved erections and size gains. Real testimonials from users confirm significant enhancements in both confidence and performance. Join the ranks of satisfied users who have transformed their lives with Bathmate. Don't wait to boost your confidence and improve your sexual health. Experience the Bathmate difference today, risk-free.